Hello everyone. Today, I am drawing an excavator. Drawing an excavator is easy. Let's draw and paint together. First, we start with the basic shapes. Body of the excavator.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Get creative and have fun.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh.
I love drawing and painting vehicles.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Now, I am drawing the excavator's arm.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo.
And I am drawing the bucket.
My darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo.
This is the best excavator ever.
Milk shoe, fly shoe, skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo.
Now I am drawing the windows of the excavator.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Look, its light is on.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Now, let's enhance the details by boldening the outline.
Pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
I'm going to paint these vehicles with beautiful colors.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon.
Now we use different colors for make more colorful. Brown color,
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
red color,
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2.
yellow color,
My darling. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo,
It is a beautiful excavator drawing.
my darling.
Red color,
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
sky blue color,
What'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
pink color.
Skip to my loo,
Your excavator drawing is really special.
skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner,
Red color,
found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling.
please subscribe my channel to see more drawing videos.
Loo, loo, skip
See you on next video. Bye.